Okay guys, I heard this one coming from ages away. He's been notch 8 the whole way. It's Pacific National and we're coming up through Verdun in the Adelaide Hills. I've got this on super zoom, so I'll try and keep it as close as I can. I'm going to back off a little bit now so I get outside the rail corridor. Here he comes through the trees. Have a look at this beauty. This thing's probably kicking around 1.5 to 1.7 kilometres. They can get up to 1.8, I've heard. Probably about, here in those locos, I'm going to say about 4,000 tonnes. When it gets heavier, they're super tractors. And they were into it. No idea how many carriages are on this, guys. Feel free to comment. Guys, if you can please like and subscribe. I'm on all the platforms. I'm on here, I'm on TikTok, I'm on YouTube, I'm on Insta, Facebook. Robin Trains or Robin Tiny Dog. How good do they sound? They smell insane. They smell awesome. Right next to me, where the tracks are, there's a ton of flex. I won't go off the video though, like it's people are watching this to see trains on tracks. She's nice and big. Imagine how big it was when it come over from Perth when it was double stacked. I haven't got over there on that mission in the not too distant future. Myself and a bloke I know, Paul, we're going to go over there and get some of these double stacked ones. That's the end, guys. They're always cool shots watching them disappear up into the bush. Thanks for tuning in.